Welcome back to Wheelcraft Studio, your go-to destination for all things automotive. Today, we are diving into an exciting new release in the world of adventure vehicles, the 2025 Grand Voyager Camper. This beast of a camper is designed to take road trips to the next level with a perfect blend of luxury, off-road capability, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you are a weekend explorer or a full-time traveler, this vehicle promises to be a game-changer. The exterior design of the Grand Voyager Camper is rugged yet refined, with a bold front grille, high ground clearance, and an aerodynamic shape that ensures stability on highways and trails alike. Built on a reinforced chassis, this camper is engineered for durability, making it capable of handling rough terrains without breaking a sweat. The LED lighting system provides excellent visibility during night drives, while the large panoramic windows offer breathtaking views wherever the road takes you. Under the hood, the Grand Voyager Camper packs a powerful engine designed for both performance and efficiency. The standard model features a turbocharged V6 engine, delivering an impressive balance of power and fuel economy. For those looking for extra torque and towing capacity, there is also an available diesel option. The advanced all-wheel drive system ensures superior traction, making it a reliable companion for off-grid adventures. The camper is equipped with adaptive suspension, automatically adjusting to different road conditions for a smooth and stable ride. Step inside, and you are greeted with a spacious and well-thought-out interior designed for maximum comfort. The high-quality materials, ergonomic layout, and smart storage solutions make every journey enjoyable. The seating arrangement is flexible, with swivel captain's chairs and a convertible sofa bed that provides ample sleeping space. The climate control system maintains a comfortable temperature regardless of the season, and the noise insulation ensures a quiet and peaceful environment inside. One of the standout features of the Grand Voyager Camper is its state-of-the-art infotainment system. The large touchscreen display supports navigation, smartphone integration, and voice commands, making it easy to control everything from music to climate settings. The premium sound system enhances the overall experience, perfect for long road trips or relaxing nights at the campsite. The digital dashboard provides real-time updates on vehicle performance, fuel efficiency, and off-road data, giving drivers complete control at their fingertips. The kitchen area is designed with practicality in mind, featuring a compact yet fully functional setup. It includes a dual-burner stove, a sink with running water, a refrigerator, and plenty of storage for cooking essentials. The countertops are durable and easy to clean, making meal preparation a breeze. The dining area offers a cozy space for enjoying meals, with a fold-out table that maximizes space efficiency. The sleeping area is another highlight, offering a comfortable and well-ventilated space for a restful night's sleep. The memory foam mattress ensures maximum comfort, while the integrated storage compartments keep belongings organized. The camper is equipped with blackout blinds for privacy and temperature control, ensuring a comfortable sleeping environment in any weather. The bathroom setup is designed to provide convenience without compromising on space. It features a compact yet fully functional wet bath with a shower, toilet, and sink. The water system includes a freshwater tank, a gray water tank, and a water heater for added comfort. The ventilation system prevents moisture buildup, ensuring a fresh and clean interior at all times. When it comes to off-grid capabilities, the Grand Voyager Camper is well equipped to handle extended trips away from civilization. The roof-mounted solar panels provide a reliable source of power, keeping essential systems running without the need for a constant external power supply. The battery management system is designed to optimize energy consumption, ensuring that all onboard electronics function efficiently. For those planning longer stays in remote locations, An optional auxiliary power unit is available for additional energy storage. Safety is a top priority in the Grand Voyager Camper, with an array of advanced driver assistance features that enhance security on the road. These include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The vehicle's robust build and reinforced frame provide excellent crash protection, while the multiple airbags and seatbelt pretensioners add an extra layer of safety. The integrated rear-view camera and 360-degree parking sensors make maneuvering in tight spaces effortless. Storage is another strong point of the Grand Voyager Camper, with intelligently designed compartments that maximize space without compromising accessibility. The rear cargo area offers enough room for outdoor gear, while the underseat storage and overhead cabinets keep smaller items organized. The modular design allows users to customize the layout according to their specific needs, making it a highly versatile camper. In terms of customization, the Grand Voyager Camper offers a range of optional upgrades to suit different preferences. These include an extended roof for extra headroom, an off-road package with enhanced suspension and all-terrain tires, and a luxury package with premium upholstery and additional tech features. Buyers can also choose from a variety of exterior colors and decal options to personalize their camper. With its impressive combination of performance, comfort, and off-road capability, the 2025 Grand Voyager Camper is set to be a top choice for adventure seekers. Whether you are embarking on a cross-country road trip or setting up camp in the wilderness, this vehicle ensures a seamless and enjoyable experience. That wraps up our review of the Grand Voyager Camper. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more in-depth reviews of the latest vehicles, make sure to subscribe to Wheelcraft Studio and stay tuned for more exciting content.